Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalou. I hope you are doing fantastic and you are ready for the holidays. In this video, I am sharing with you a nighttime, end of day, after dark cleaning routine, however you want to call it. I'm so glad I'm sharing this video with you because last week I showed you guys my house. It was all glam, beautiful and clean. And this week you guys can see my house is just like any other home. It gets used and it needs to be cleaned up constantly. I hope you guys will find some inspiration in this video. With that said, if you are here for the first time, welcome to the Glam Squad family. I share glam home decor, cleaning and DIY videos. If you are into any of these things, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so they can let you know once I upload a new video. And to all of you, my fellow Glam Squad, thanks so much for stopping by today. Although this is an end of day cleaning routine, it's going to be a little bit more intensive because I have been locked in my office for the past couple of days. So I've been staying away trying to get my work done because my goal is to be off the week after Christmas. I have been working mostly on my business versus doing household work. I have a little bit of more cleaning to do than I would normally do at night. But the routine is still the same. It's always the kitchen area, the dining area, and the family room. So these are the three areas that I'm going to be cleaning today. I try my best to clean them up every single night, although some nights I can't, as I just explained to you. But at least when I wake up in the morning, when I come downstairs, at least I want to see that this area is not too messy. This is the area that gets the most traffic, so the struggle is real down here.
Like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
My cutting boards, I always hand wash them. Do you guys hand wash your cutting boards or do you put them in the dishwasher? I always feel like the wood will get messed up if I put it in the dishwasher because of all the heat. I'm curious to know. Leave a comment below, let me know.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back.
My sink always gets cleaned twice whenever I clean a lot of dishes. The first time was to remove the big grease and all the dirt that were from the dishes before I wash things like placemats and things that I normally hand wash that I do not want to have a lot of grease and that are not that dirty. And the second time is to polish it and give it a finished look. Sometimes I like to spray my done power wash on the cabinet and let it sit there for a few minutes before I wipe it down. The cabinets are not that dirty, but I just did that by habit. Whenever I'm cleaning the kitchen, I always ended up wiping them down. To clean the countertop, I'm using my lemon mayor, although there is a spray from HomeSense that I normally use. I like it a little bit more. I don't have it, so I'm just using my lemon mayor.
Show me your love like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get.
Guys, today's video is sponsored by Decor. You know them, I've been talking about them for a little while. You know what they do? They give you luxury iconic scents for less. If you are struggling to get a last minute gift for your loved ones, I would definitely advise you to stop by the Decor website and pick up one of your favorite scents. They have so many different scents. Trust me, you will find something that you like, and most importantly, you don't have to break the bank. Today's scent that I would like to share with you is the Berry Cherry, inspired by D. Tom Ford, Lust, Cherry, Eau de Parfum. Let's be clear, you guys, this is not a fake perfume. This is an inspiration. The Emberry Cherry is a unisex scent. It is vegan, cruelty-free, and have clean ingredients, just like any other scent on the Dossier website. Look at the reviews, you guys. Over 1,500 reviews, 4.5 stars. That alone speaks for itself. You can get the Emberry Cherry for $49. Use my coupon code to save an additional 10% off. And listen to this one, guys. If you buy any Twee perfume or more, you will get free shipping. So you guys, there is no reason for you not to get me a gift this year or any of your loved ones. I'm kidding about me, but you do need to get your loved ones a gift. Seriously, guys, I know they are going to love it. Check out the link in the description box and remember to use my coupon code.
You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love.
As I mentioned, this is a little bit more extensive than a nighttime cleaning routine. Because I have not been cooking on the stove, I did not have to do much with it. Basically, for the past few days, we have been using the air fryer and my small oven from Chef Cubai. Guys, did you hear? I started a new channel. Yeah! On that channel, we're going to be focusing mostly on business. We're going to share several types of business ideas and advice. We're going to be sharing hot topic in business that can take us to the next level. Also, I'm going to be sharing behind the scene of this home decor channel from the business aspect of it. Please go over there and show me some love. Even if you are not into business, please go over there, subscribe, and show your girls some love. You know what they say, it takes a village. I need all the love, all the support, and all the prayers that you can give me. Also, you still got a chance to participate in the giveaway. Later on today, I will be announcing the winner. All you have to do, go over there, subscribe, and leave a comment. You will get a chance to win. A huge thank you to all of you who already subscribed and put a comment for me. I am beyond grateful for your love and your support. Link for my new channel, Dalou on the Business, will be in the description box and in the comment section area. I look forward to seeing you there.
Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
This is what left of my beautiful candles, such a mess. This fridge is one of the things that get cleaned multiple times during the day. The fingerprints and the dirt marks are real, y'all.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, honestly.
Many of the items that you see in this area and in my kitchen were purchased from Amazon. I will leave the link for them in the description box.
And open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
I'm using hot water to mop the floor. It helps remove any sticky things that are on the floor, and also it helps kill bacteria. You guys always ask what I use on the floor. It's the Murphy oil soap. That's all I use, and it keeps the floor very shiny.
Smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. I can't take this anymore. You say we're done, but you still want more. Baby, what I need is you out the door. This time I'm sure, yeah, that you're a bad boy, up to no good. Trying to be a man, but you're stuck in boyhood. Baby, you won't ever treat me the way you should, so it's over for good. I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. Yeah, I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. Oh yeah, oh yeah. What do you expect me to when I'm over you? Can't you tell by the look on my face that I will never smile for you?
For now, on this table, I'm just gonna keep some fruits. Now that I'm done cleaning, I'm going to make a little cocktail to bring some beautiful scent to the house. The pot that I'm using is from Carrare. Love it, beautiful, it's glam, and it is non-toxic. So far, it has been one of my favorite cooking sets. It is non-stick too. I'm gonna leave the link for it in the description box. If you guys are interested, check it out. I think they have a sale going on the website. I added some fresh cranberry. It's beautiful already. Some rosemary.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. How do you expect me to when I'm over you? Can't you tell by the look on my face?
I'm gonna be adding some cloves. I don't really like cloves, but I'm gonna give it a try today. Some cinnamons. Oh my goodness, it is gorgeous. It is the perfect winter scent. When it simmers, it smells so good, and you can drink it too. You don't have to throw it away. You can turn it into a tea or a cocktail. It's up to you. I hope you had enjoyed this clean with me video. If you do, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and share it with a friend and on your social media pages. If you have not subscribed, please do so right now and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. From my family to yours, I want to wish you a blessed and fun holiday. I look forward to seeing you all on the next one. I love you always. Bye bye.